Step 1, you draw a circle. Step 2, you draw a diagonal line around the circle like this. Step 3, you draw another diagonal line around the circle like this. Make sure that they are not cross-shaped, rather asymmetrical. Step 4, you draw more but half lines on each side. Step 5, on a single diagonal line, create 2 shapes like this in the same manner. Step 6, on the second diagonal line, create 2 more of those shapes. In step 7, you draw 4 lines in each block that join the corners to the points where each circle's arcs intersect. In step 8, you will draw the fan's handle by drawing 2 lines that are parallel to each other. Finally, sketch the cover of the handle in this manner. At last, you will have something like this, which you may color if you so choose.